Hi friends, let's solve this tricky math problem. 7 times 5 goes first. 7 times 5 equals 35. Next, I drop the 2 minus divided by 4 divided by 2. Next, 35 divided by 4 goes first. So what's 35 divided by 4? I don't know, so I wrote it in a fraction form. And next, I want to turn these numbers into fractions as well because I turned 35 divided by 4 into a fraction. So it'll be written like this: 2 over 1 minus, I have 35 over 4 already, divided by 2 over 1. And I'll erase this top part for space. Next, division goes first. So I will use the keep change flip method, so KCF. So I keep the first fraction, 35 over 4. Next, I change division to multiplication. And lastly, flip the second fraction. So the 1 goes above the fraction bar and the 2 goes below the fraction bar. So it's written like this: 1 over 2. Next, I multiply across. So 35 times 1 is 35 over 5 times 2 is 8. And 35 over 8 cannot be broken down further. Next, I'll erase this part and write the 2 over 1 larger, and I'll write a little bit lower for space. 2 over 1 minus 35 over 8. And notice the denominators are different. So I will use the butterfly method. So I will draw 2 wings, 2 antennas, and a body, and you multiply what's inside the wings, and you write the results above the antennas. It's a pretty butterfly. And here's the body. That gives us the denominator. 1 times 8 is 8. And don't leave yet, because I will show you how to find the decimal answer using long division. So let's figure out what goes above the antennas. So 2 times 8 is 16. Good job. Next, 1 times 35 is 35. And next, I subtract 16 minus 35. So just turn the numbers around. 35 minus 16. And it's going to give us a negative. So that is negative 19. So the numerator is negative 19 and then over 8, which is the denominator. Now let's figure out the decimal answer, and we can get a mixed number answer because this is an improper fraction answer. So I'll write the first answer on this side of the board. So negative 19 over 8. And write the other two, the mixed number answer and the decimal answer there. Here's the long division and the negative 19, or just write 19 inside the long division symbol. That is the dividend, and the 8 goes outside. That is the divisor. How many times can 8 fit into 19? Twice. And 2 times 8 is 16. And 19 minus 16 is 3. You can't fit 8 into 3. There's no way. So the 3 needs to borrow a 0. So you drop the 0, give it to the 3. Now the 3 becomes 30. So you can fit 8 into 33 times, right? Because 8 times 3 is 24. That's the closest we'll get to 30. So I'll write the 3 above the long division symbol. And 3 times 8 is 24. And then subtract 30 minus 24 is 6. And you cannot fit 8 into 6. So the 6 needs to borrow a 0. And the 6 becomes 60. So you can fit 8 into 60 7 times, right? Because 8 times 7 is 56, because I know 8 times 8 is 64. That goes over 60. So 7 goes on top, and 7 times 8 is 56, and 56, and 60 minus 56 is 4, and you can't fit 8 into 4, so the 4 needs to borrow a 0, and the 4 now becomes 40. You can fit 8 into 4, 40, 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40, and 40 minus 40 is 0. So your mixed number answer, and I'll use a different color, 2 is the whole number, and then the remainder 3 goes above the fraction bar, and then the 8 goes below the fraction bar, 2, 3 over 8, and the decimal answer is 2.375. And there you go. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel to support. And if you already did, thank you so much for your support. And if you got the right answer, hit that like button. And thank you so much for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.